Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, okay. Can I play this? Alright, looks good. Space advantage. Try and break out the pawns. Can I take? Okay, this looks good. Rook b3, queen a5, f5 at some point. Rook b3, queen a5. D3 for knight c2. Queen e3 coming up. Oh, knight c2 first. Mind you, that just blunts the pawn. Yes, well done. Actually, I want f4 here. If he takes f5, maybe I'll take here for queen d6. Obviously, I don't think I've played this in a very great wave of money just blundering pawn for nothing, but anyway. Okay, I'll just take here and try and undermine the knights. I think bishop e5, rook d6. I got slight clock advantage in this game as well, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, he kind of blundered to exchange it earlier. I've actually had a remarkably bad session to get to this rating, by the way. I've had about like 5 losses in a row. I feel a bit beaten up. So this is actually a great relief. You might please excuse my lack of commentary. I feel a bit beaten up during this game. I'm hoping to perk up a little bit soon. This is what happens when you start playing chess at 5 in the morning when you can't sleep. But anyway, okay. This was a welcome relief, this game, even though the commentary didn't sound like it. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.